Alright, y'all. Look what I'm finna show you how to make today. Bam! Oh, wait. Hold on. Bam! There we go. Yeah. Alright, to be able to make these cards, you're gonna have to have a copy of Photoshop. Let's do it. First things first, hit like, hit subscribe, hit the bell, because this is exactly what you're looking for. First thing I had to do was sketch up all the face cards. I had to decide on the PlayStation idea though. Like, so whatever the idea, you want to make it something that you could divide into 4 suits if you don't plan on using the heart king, the club, the diamond, and the spade. I just went with PlayStation since I've been like a big fan of it my whole life, since I was a kid. And then I wanted it to still have like that traditional style of playing cards, so I made all the characters mirrored, and I used the font style that you would like traditionally see on a playing card. All I did was like, I went and Googled side view photos of the 4 characters I know I wanted to use, right? And then I decided to go with Crash for Joker, Kratos for the King, Aloy for the Queen, and then Nathan Drake for Jack. I sat and thought about it for a minute, but I went with those characters because they were all originally PlayStation exclusive characters. So like when they first, every character when they first came out, it was on a PlayStation 1, 2, 3, or 4. The next thing I did was I grabbed a template, and then that just made it easy to just lay out everything and make sure that I don't place any of the text or any of the symbols on the edge too close where to get cut off. I knew I was gonna order these cards from MakePlayingCards.com, so I just went on their website, grabbed a template, and downloaded it for the specific size I wanted it. You definitely need a template because like otherwise you might cut off the edge of your cards. I want to put a border, so I'm gonna use the shape tool. I'm gonna use the rounded rectangle and just kind of draw around it. I don't want it to be red, I want it to be black, so I'm gonna just change that to black. And let's double click on here. I want to add a gradient behind it to kind of separate his nose or any blacks from the background as much as I can. Let's see. Let's put it on radial, then just drag it up, move it to the middle. I'm just putting like some type of gradient fade on here real quick. Bam. I'm gonna just go with an all black card and then like just stroke the edge. Try to make sure that this line is like straight, so I'm gonna have to rotate them. I didn't draw it in a straight line, it was kind of crooked. Bring this in a little bit, just follow my guidelines. All right, now I'm gonna put like Joker up here. This is the Joker card. See, I got this like playing card font that I found on the internet. It was free. I'll put the link for the font in the description. The blue stroke instead of the white stroke. So I got my template down. Now I can just build every other card off of this one. Now I'm gonna just put every other face card down. But the other cards are designed a little different. Like I said, Aloy is the queen. I'm gonna just drag this on over here, just so I got like the same font size. And then I'm gonna make it like a bigger Q in the inside of the border. Next I'm gonna make my squares or my all my different shapes with the different shape tools I got down here in the corner. Except of course PlayStation buttons are all hollow, so let's do a stroke, let's make it pink. Oh, that's probably thick enough. All right, now we got the double. Okay, so now we're making it a little more obvious that this is a queen card. Then we're gonna just repeat this step for all the other faces and all the other shapes. Next, we're just gonna line all our shapes up for the different numbers. You can align them any way you like. And then for the front, replace it. I'm just gonna have a pattern of PlayStation symbols everywhere. Bam. I'm gonna put that in the middle, in the background. And then I'm gonna do the same for the front too. Bam. And that's it, folks. That's how you do it. Tell me what you think in the comments. If you got any questions, leave them in the comments. Appreciate y'all watching like usual. Peace.